Hey Crafty Peeps! I have a little bit of a different video for you today, as I do have to take a little break from crafting as I am still unpacking and organizing my craft room, painting my house, unpacking the house, all the things. So when the opportunity presented itself to do a little unboxing, I thought this is actually the perfect timing as we head into Christmas time. So this is a mystery box, okay? So this company, the Mystery Box Gift Shop, they send you a box and you get at least double, if not triple, quadruple value from it. Okay, so they have a couple different boxes. The everything box, which is what I will be unboxing. They have a beauty, an electronics, and they even have a joke one, which I think is another perfect one to get this time of year as you prepare into Christmas for your white elephant gifts, funny gifts for the brother-in-law or whoever. I also thought this was a good idea because you don't always know what to get. Maybe your kid's teacher or your hairdresser, or maybe you have teenagers and you ask them what they want for Christmas and they're like, I don't know, cash, I guess. Like, that's not fun. So let's see what is in this box, and okay, let's get into it. Okay, I undid it, so this is so exciting. Honestly, it'd be kind of fun just to buy it for yourself. I don't know if you are like me, where I don't get a lot of gifts. I'm not married. I don't have a significant other. I still have children. I don't get a ton of gifts. Okay, so this would be like getting yourself a gift too would be fun, especially like the beauty one. Okay, let's get the first item. Okay, so the first item is a round picnic blanket. Okay, this is so fun. It looks like it says happy. Let's open it because I'm keeping this. I'm not giving this away, but this would be, set aside for an end of the year teacher gift. That would be perfect. I never know what to get them. Get something summery and fun. But I sold all my beach towels before I moved, and so this seems like a really good thing for me to have. That's another thing, moving. I sold so much stuff, so I like that you can carry it. Okay, this thing is big. I don't know if you can tell how big the size is, but it's really good quality. Now, can I roll it back up? I will make you watch that. Okay, item number 2. Sonic electric toothbrush. Okay, now that is really a good item. This would be perfect for teenage kids or your mom maybe. You don't know what to get your mom. Okay, that's good. JVC Marshmallow True Wireless Earbuds. Okay, JVC, that's a great brand. So this is name brand. This isn't just some generic thing that was probably $10 on Amazon. This is like legit wireless earbuds. Now, I don't know about you. I have a 10-year-old. She tends to lose her earbuds and then borrows mine, and then we need another pair. This would be a fantastic gift for her. My teenagers are too picky, right? They need the Apple ones, but let's check these out. Okay, those are really, really nice. Earbuds. Nice. And they're definitely brand new in the package. Didn't look like it was like a return or anything. Hey, that has to be worth half the price of this box alone. Just one item. I will do my best to put the cost somewhere up here. Okay, we have a Kate Spade MagSafe iPhone 14 Pro Max case. That is beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. Definitely a good gift for a sister, a teacher. You kind of have to figure out that they have that phone, but okay, that's really pretty. I think the mag ones are like the magnetic ones, if I remember correctly. Okay, what else is in here? Okay, a smart charger, a wall charger with built-in battery. So it looks like, I'm wondering if it's the kind you set your phone on. Apologize for that light. I have to kind of, so this looks really nice. All sorts of charging things. Okay, definitely a good teenager gift. My son, he won't watch this video. My son's probably getting this for Christmas. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's a Calvin Klein purse. Okay, I'm kind of picky about purses. I'm one of those people, I buy one purse and then use it till it falls apart. And so it has to really be like an everyday purse. And that is definitely an everyday purse. Oh my gosh. This, again, this would be like a perfect gift for your mom, your sister, your aunt. I'm keeping most of this stuff for myself, guys. I can't believe a Calvin Klein purse was in there. That's really awesome. Lots of pockets, a zipper one in the middle, zipper one on the inside. You got two zipper ones in the front. That is so nice. Okay, is there anything else in here? Oh, there's still quite a bit in this box. Okay, we have Guess. I'm not sure what it is. It says it retails for $48 on the outside here. What is it? So these are really name brand things. Oh, okay, it's a wallet. Boy, I think my son's gonna score out of this one. It's even attached inside still because so it doesn't get stolen. So it's a Guess wallet. That's a really nice wallet. I like that. It's really soft. And Guess. That's nice. Like I said, $48 is what it says it retails for. Okay, we have a tag lock. Okay, this is kind of scary that this is in there. Okay, it's like to hold their little name tag on. So I have a husky and he keeps ripping it off because the little circle ones get bent open and he gets them off. So it's kind of funny because I was like, I need to find something that actually keeps his name tag on. And how perfect is that? Well, that's a fun little surprise. Is that sad that might be one of the most exciting things for me in that, because there's two more things in here. Looks like these are, ooh, Smashbox. That's a good makeup brand, Smashbox. So we have a Prime and Plush lipstick in the color Easy, which that is a good neutral color. And then Always On Cream Shadow in Sepia. Another really good neutral eyeshadow. I love cream shadows because I tend to forget and rub my eyes and then they don't come off. Always On. Oh, it's like a squirty tube one. That's pretty. Let's see what else. So, like I said, there are other types of boxes you can get. Again, this would be perfect. I have a teenage, well, oh my god, she's not a teenage girl anymore. She just turned 20. I have a 20-year-old girl who was just talking about wanting some new makeup. And this is like totally her colors. So, stocking stuffers. Ooh. That's the color. That's really pretty. Okay, so that is it for the unboxing. Total right here, if I found a total. Because I'm going to do that after the fact since I didn't know ahead of time what was in this box. But you can see, that was a lot of stuff. This particular box is $110, okay? That kind of seems like a little steep, but I guess, you know, if you are buying Christmas presents, and you got 2 makeups, a dog, a charger, really nice earbuds, a Guess wallet, a Kate Spade, which is another designer, phone case, an electric toothbrush, that's great, a Calvin Klein purse, and this cute little towel blanket. That's a ton of stuff for that kind of money. And they do have a lower price one, like the joke one I definitely want to get is $42.99. Like, you'd spend that for 2 gag gifts, right? So definitely think this is a fun thing to get. Check the description for how you can purchase. Okay, so next time hopefully I'll be crafting, and so until next time, happy crafting.